Once upon a time, there was four friends who lived long ago in a village. There was Raj, a wise scholar, Dev, a nimble thief, Veer, a brave soldier, and Priya, a kind-hearted healer. They were great friends and always helped each other. One day, while they were chatting near the village square, a stranger approached them. Raj, seeing the stranger for the first time, said, "I'm new here. I've never seen you in our village before." "Yes, I am new," replied the stranger. "In my previous village, I had no friends. I tried befriending others, but no one wanted to be my friend. So I left and ended up here. You were all alone and needed a friend." Dev and Priya smiled at each other. "Although we were just three friends until now, we are glad you've joined us," they said. The stranger became friends with them. The next day, the four friends went about their daily chores in the village. They would meet at the same spot by evening. This routine continued for a few days. However, one evening, the stranger didn't return. The other three friends grew worried. "The sun is setting. Why hasn't the stranger returned?" asked Veer. "He should have been back by now. We must go and search for him," said Dev. "I can cover more ground quickly. I'll find him," declared Priya, and off she went. After searching for a while, Priya heard a faint cry for help. She followed the sound and saw the stranger trapped in a collapsed building. Without wasting time, Priya ran back to Raj, Dev, and Veer and explained the situation. "There's been an accident," said Priya urgently. "The stranger needs our help." "We must hurry and rescue our friend," replied Veer. They quickly went to the collapsed building. Dev used his skills to carefully clear the rubble, and soon the stranger was freed. Raj arrived and asked, "Are you okay?" "Yes, I'm fine. Thank you all for saving me," replied the stranger. Suddenly, a villager returned and saw that the stranger had been freed. Dev noticed the villager approaching and alerted the others. They all ran for safety. Priya found a safe place to hide. Dev quickly blended into the crowd, and Veer helped the stranger to safety. However, the slow-moving Raj couldn't escape and was captured by the villager. Later, Veer, Dev, and Priya met up, saddened by Raj's capture. "We have to save our friend," said Veer. "I have an idea," said Dev. "The villager is alone, and we are three. Let's use our wits to rescue Raj." "That's a brilliant plan. Let's do it," agreed Priya. They hurried to the village square where Dev executed his plan. The stranger pretended to be injured on the road, and Dev pretended to argue with him. Priya watched from a distance, waiting for the right moment. The villager approached and saw the commotion. "What's going on here?" he asked, moving closer. Taking advantage of the distraction, Priya swiftly approached and helped Raj slip away. As the villager approached the stranger, Dev created a diversion, and Veer ensured Raj was safely hidden. The villager was bewildered by the sudden turn of events. By now, Priya had whisked Raj away to safety, and they all regrouped in a hidden spot. When the villager returned to the village square, he found it empty. Raj had escaped. The villager was frustrated, but the friends were overjoyed to be reunited.